Imagine this. Your audience sees your placard, scans a one QR code, and instantly engages with your brand. With one QR codes, your placards become powerful, interactive tools that inspire curiosity, drive engagement, and boost results. Turn simple signage into interactive experiences. Link QR codes to rewards programs, customer reviews, menus, or even entertainment. Surprise them with a discount to sweeten the deal. Keep your content as dynamic as your day. With one QR scheduling, your placard can show breakfast specials in the morning, event details in the afternoon, and evening promotions, all without reprinting. Just one QR code does it all. Why stop at one option? Use multiple QR codes to offer a menu of choices, like product demos, how-to videos, or customer testimonials. Give viewers the freedom to explore what interests them the most. Confidence comes from consistency. Your one QR codes can match your branding seamlessly. Colors, logos, and style, so your placards always look professional and polished. A QR code is only as good as the reason to scan it. Tell your audience where it will take them, whether it's an exclusive offer, a loyalty program, or helpful tips. The call to action should be clear. Make it easy for anyone to scan your one QR codes in any lighting. Use high contrast between the code and its background to ensure quick and reliable scans every time. Placards aren't just small signs. Turn anything that sits on a tabletop, like displays, props, or even centerpieces, into interactive platforms with one QR codes. The possibilities are endless. With one QR, you print once and change often. Update your content anytime while keeping your signage fresh and engaging. Get started for free today at oneqr.com.